So this is my DS that I'm going to show you, and we're going to do a video, okay? Okay, let's go on. This is my DS, and we're going to play, okay? So let's go.
So what's this game called?
Monkey Run.
Monkey Run?
Yep. Okay, here we go.
Doing good, Bryce?
Yep.
So guys, if you don't know, he's that guy, the like bluish guy right up there.
Take care of yourself, dude.
How many games are on this, Bryce? Like 300, right?
220.
Wow, so many, guys. So if you guys want this, it's a little bit more money, but it is a good device that you would enjoy. Okay, guys, that game is a pretty good game. You guys should go get it. It has over 220 games. Very good game, and it will help you maintain focus, and it will waste some time if you ever get bored. So yes, this is our toy review for after Bryce's birthday, which will be posted today too. So I'm gonna video him one more time of him playing the game, hopefully with a little better like quality.
Game, and I hope you like this part.
Doing good so far. So yeah, you should definitely go get this. This game is one of a lot. But this is Bryce's. Is this your favorite game, Brycey?
Yes. Yes, it
This
is.
is his favorite game.
I'm gonna play King on this DS, okay? So let's play.
Another game called King.
Do you like the music?
Yep. So he is that gorilla. He's the gorilla, Bryce. Right?
Yeah.
Yep, he's the gorilla right there. Look, he's climbing on the top.
Oh, dang. I forgot about that part. Anyway.
He lost the life.
Look, I just got the person.
Swinging, swinging.
Oh.
Oh, he lost another life.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, did you lose another life?
Yeah, I died. Back on the
He
game.
died, so that was King. He's gonna play one more time.
Forgot how to get up there. It's one thing. Did help this guy.
Lost another life. Swinging, swinging.
How do you get past that part
At the same
anyway?
time.
I don't know how to get past it.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please sub and like and comment. Bryce is trying to find a game, but I don't think we're gonna show it in the video. Also, we're gonna upload another video later in the evening at like probably like 7 or so. And so have a great day and watch out for the next video.